Hello everyone, myself Kalichalvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. In today's session, we will learn the basic elements of electrical drive. So the key building blocks that makes any drive system works efficiently in real-time applications like fans, conveyors, pumps and elevators and then electric vehicles like that. So what are basic elements? So basic elements in the electrical drive is not just a motor, so it is a complete system that converts electrical energy into controlled mechanical motion. So understanding these elements helps in selecting the proper components and improving performance and ensuring reliable and safe operation. So then we have move on to the overview of basic elements. So here, the complete electrical drive system mainly includes power source, power modulator, motor, control unit, sensing unit, and finally the load. So power source is nothing but AC or DC supply or battery. Power modulator is a converter unit, and motor is a converter electrical to mechanical energy, and control unit is decides the speed or torque control. Sensing unit is a feedback like speed, position, torque, and finally the load which defines the mechanical requirements. And then design thinking part, before selecting the drive we must understand the need. In empathize stage we study the application type, operating condition, load nature, and then required speed, range and torque, accuracy and positioning needs. So first step is always understand the real requirement. And then next is a define stage. So where we convert requirements into a clear design target. We define power rating, efficiency, accuracy, and also constraints like cost, environment condition, size and weight. This helps in choosing the right motor, converter and then controller. So let's see about the uh, individual basic elements. The first basic element is power source. So now the first element which supplies energy to the drive system, it can be AC supply, a DC supply or a battery. Power quality matters. Why? Because drive performance depends on the stable voltage and then clean waveform and then low harmonic distortion. The power converters used with source of rectifiers, inverters and choppers. The rectifier is nothing but AC to DC supply, inverter is a DC to AC supply, and chopper is a DC to DC supply. So second basic element is power modulator, which is a converter. So the key element that controls power delivered to the motor. It performs the conversion and control using the rectifier, inverter and then chopper. So we are using the switching devices like SCR thyristor, IGBT, MOSFET, GTO, and it controls outputs by voltage regulation, current control, frequency modulation. So power modulator ensures the smooth control of speed and torque. So next element is the control unit, which is the brain of the drive. So it has two main strategies. One is open loop control, another one is closed loop control. In this open loop control, it has no feedback. It is simple and cheaper but less accurate. For the closed loop control, uses the feedback for high accuracy and stability. The feedback devices include speed sensor, encoder, torque sensor. So the common control methods used for the control system is PID controller, field oriented control and adaptive control and then fuzzy control. So fourth important element is sensing unit and load. So the sensing unit provides the essential feedback, like sensor measures speed has the tachometer and torque has the load cell, another position has the encoders. Then comes to the load which decides the motor and drive rating. The load types are constant torque load, variable torque load. So the constant torque load used for the conveyors and variable torque loads are used in the fans and pumps. So the mechanical coupling may be direct coupling, gear systems, belt or chain drives. And then finally we move on to the ideate part. In this ideate stage we explore configurations like AC drive with VFD, DC drive with chopper, servo drive with encoder. So we also consider advanced options like a soft starter, regenerative drives, active front end converter, matrix converter. These are all the advanced options. So our goal is to get the best efficiency, minimum cost, and then compact size. And then final is a prototype and testing stage. In this we verify performance using the load test, dynamic response test, and then thermal testing. In evaluate quality using the efficiency, torque and speed accuracy, power factor improvement, and then harmonic distortion and reliability. So let's summarize the today's topic. It has the six basic elements of an electrical drive, which are power source, power modulator, motor, control unit, sensing unit, and then load. So when using design thinking ensures a systematic, a real world ready drive design. So this is about the basic elements of electrical drive. Thank you.